What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add rules on your server. And this is particularly good because it helps to keep your people organized, and this is super helpful because it shows the guidelines of your particular Discord, and it's especially useful when you have lots of people from all different cultures, different ages using your Discord's guidelines or rules are super important and can be very helpful. So how do you add them? What you want to do is right click on your server on your Discord, and you want to hover over server settings. Go down to where it says access, click on it, and here you will find a section that says server rules. All you have to do is turn this on and you can add rules. Don't worry, if you want to know what kind of rules you can add, see some examples at the bottom here. So for example, be civil and respectful. You can easily go ahead and you can add that in, and you can basically click on that. And as you can see, it basically gives you some statements that you can add, and you can add that in. So you can add another one and you can just simply click on that and it's going to make those description for you. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on save changes, and that's how you'll add those server rules to your Discord. You can add whatever you want. You can just type it whatever you want. It doesn't have to be like this. It could just you write whatever you want. So let's say I can say be kind. That could be a server rule, and you continue from there and click save changes. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.